So in the industry for engineers, there's this term called bus factor. To explain this term, it's whenever an engineer walks onto a bus and never comes back or never returns, that's detrimental to the entire project. As engineering managers, CTOs, VPs, DevRel, whatever, you're always looking for opportunity to limit bus factor. And I have a story of a company who I just recently chatted about bus factor in one of their projects. Now, this company has a ton of open source SDKs, some they maintain in their org, some they don't maintain. And one in particular is actually maintained by the Django community. And when we went to look at the insights for their project, we found only one person had contributed to the project in the last year. Now, this was extremely eye-opening because it's a bus factor of 1 of this project that's funneling tons of eyeballs and cash to the business. So when I proposed the question of like, who is this person, this individual had no idea. So we reached out to them, and it turns out that this engineer based in India, their entire business is built on top of this SDK. And there was an opportunity for them to get control or commit access to the project to keep it moving forward. Now, eye-opening, and there's an opportunity there for getting that person in the fold, going to their conferences and etc. And there's always opportunity in open source, especially when your business relies on it. So at OpenSauced, we're looking to provide notifications, reporting, and understand when you do have a bus factor of 1, so that way you can mitigate that risk before it even happens.